Etiye for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so mesre and there your first time or has subscribing na click the notification bell so am we understand latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka story bi aba e was say yakasa efa ho na senior wa we hu picture na eda on screen so no yentumi enter video no because e very very graphic and then that screen so senior be subscribe no you understand pepe am etiye for quickly yan consent mu two university students be sabe atopa video eliki na and that me woka say woko Nigeria trendy gidigidi a lot of media outlets are in Nigeria kasa watch say this particular sex tape you know one more share one more dream pan say in some for can comment about more passing and easy na send me din kan tell no two university students na one more students of a year university bi I find Babcock University in Nigeria na Metro, what they say ye Metro send your sex tape no benya na washe. Na sa Babcock University ya Nigeria yi. Awon wade na say a Christian university, a missionary university. What you say? We work as na say we dey wo mwenyi. But once ya e ba Christo sumu a ya na ya won say yen ware ya eni kwan say wo fechi. Even though ye nina no at least ye fechi rere 1111 bi. What you say? Nipa de but idea bi say wo ya sebe wo de wo ya ye no kukuom say wo di pia bonten no eno ne asema eda ho a enye na we've seen chats on this particular thing will be any ya twetwe nkomo a wo tre say wo nim say wo ba we na wo say wo ba we de sa na wo te oni wo be ma da de bia ya no wo pese wo twa video de bia ya no pese wo twa video na say nim say sebe esuban fin bi na wego sua na honhom fin bi na eda ne so a wode yesa ade na but omo a womo ni mo ba no ne ndanfofo wo ba ni roommate womo se sa na wo ba we wote na esanse school no na eye Christian university ni no most of the Christian universities no bibi say eba obviously most students are sabe enyama bi say mo ye ewom no ye be sa akemo very obvious yet University of Ghana Ghana I say universities be very yet say steps leaky but it's hard say better say yes saki these students no just because Jesus said because these schools are no missionary schools but Ghana hakano those missionary schools no say yet say sebe woni oba bi akoda anankofo ko hu say sebe wo di nyambran say bi say ya ye be saki o nti yet say wo be ma any wo ba no and there me ne ka say dem emo ya ade a wo munye students of the school biom ya saki omo de dada na video we de ya tene se e proton e na twese bo moko yes adi we and the video no e leaky enkofo bebre kasa e wo ho na ama school ne nso aba bonten a wo mo abetre wo mo adwen because the school this has actually given a very bad name to the school and the Nigeria it has given a very bad name to the school say na me din kan tell BBC Foka a report on it wo mo twese say school ni din ena school no edit statement about bonten a wo mo tre say abrantie na asebe wo ye ade ne se ne wa we hu ewo picture we mu abrantie na asebe wo re wo ba no wo no tan wo ye obi a tre say wo di nyamran se wo school nim enye we pe e ade a wo ye enyamaboni ewo school nim ti this year February ton ena abrantie ne ye sake no ye pame no every school nim wo ba ne nso e ba ye no wo ba ne nso ya pame no wo mo ye hwehwemu hu se wo ba ne nso sebe saade ne ni ho dodo ade a wotan ye nti ya pame no na before I make sure baby a video no wo benya ahwe no quickly let me read a statement from the school na me read this statement from the school ni wia na ya trail video no baby a wo benya ahwe because me nim say mo bebre mo beka say video we dem pese mo hwe mesre number na e dash screen as ne mo bia embe WhatsApp ne nka say me send video ni ma no mesre video we ni me phone so mo bia metre me say oh please send me this mesremo inti wutie metre send your video no wo benya na wo pese wo hwe a wo ye den wo hwe me de deuro na mebebo na school no wo mo full statement ni we say the video above referred is unfortunately a sad commentary on the moral decadence that has assailed our society at large, a manner of behavior that is alien and unethical to the value of our university. We see video na ye ni aye hu ana video no aye ka ho asem ende a wa we hu picture no e wo screen so no eya rewosem say on school no the values of the school no video no etia emra of the school. But say it is not worth a thing of fascination, but a ground of great concern for all. But say the boy in the video was expelled from Babcock University in February this year after investigation, and the due process proved that he was into certain grievous misconduct, the act for which the university has zero tolerance. That is a guy in Umpudia, ne kre ya sake no February to ne ya dia. Enyama bebre, nyama boni bebre ekoso e wo school ni mu a guy no eya wo chese wo de ne hu ehim. Nti ya pame na fi school ni. Was his girlfriend in the same video until the video broke out. A third-year student of accounting of this university, after due process, she was expelled from the university for violation of university rules and regulations. Now, to say, "Wobane die video no eba bontin wie ye no, na school no eye investigation, eye nhwehwemu hu no se ne kre. Wobane no eco school wo ho. Wobane no wo ye third-year student of wo ye accounting, wo hwe anankaka akra na wo wie school. Third year, there's a 1 year penank we be school. No wako ye juma. In the video we are babontino, womwa through the due process of the school, the rules and regulations of the school, and unti womwa pame wabano. Inti ende wabano se wako share school asifu fra. Me assure se video we are ababontin wo be nu ne ho. Was it the place where the immoral act took place, according to her, was at St. Bridge Hospital. Not just say wobano asande ba no wakotro ne numu nsem woba ne tre se video ne kra no anasa ade na wo moye wo video ni menya ade a ekọ so e wo school nim na oko eye hospital e no bi ka se sabe ohun ya wo de den kra hospital na sabe wo kware ohun wo de camera esi ho etwa hospital na de say wo be there kapoepoe achi no hospital adai inti eno ne sema eda ho o say Babcock University remains committed to the highest moral standards and will remain while we say school need assemble wo mu be yi omo ho afim na say saa na te minim Christian University bi e wo Ghana ha say ya say students nim na wo mo kwore omo ho na authorities ana wo mo trade e wo school ho etia gidi o meba se wo mo be saki students no now so what authorities na wo mo fechi every student in mano me masa me na me catch us minim Christian University bi wo Ghana ha say sa na ekoso wo mo obi ko hu say students bi just wo mo wi o mo ho na students wo mo wi o mo hu say wo mo window ye bi ato ho ene ye nwumre nti omunim se wo bi eni ho ena nkofo ko hu ye school no begina so permit students no na wo mo gina so authorities of the school mo gina so permit students no sa authorities na me memba bia wo mo so ko school wo ha sa authorities no fechi every samba no enye se wo bi say me melodies me say me na me ka kire mo it is anya achomsem no e ade a e wo ho e basa na school no be you mu hu afrim ye de we asem we de fire asem we de nimhwe asem we easy school ni be yi ni hu afrim fe be yi ni hu afrim na ye etiefo wa wo pese wo hwe video no afei na metro ko Google video no first na wo Twitter but ni pakwa body to Twitter no wa be delete ko Google uko Google a type Babcock that school ni dey Babcock uko type Babcock University sex tape Babcock University sex tape school no spelling the BABCOCK. Now the university sex tape now the account we are first link na ebe ba no make sure say a link bia ya edini ye informationg.com o click so a obehu video no abrante yesi wo ba echi asebe wo enye reketwa wo ba ni wie ye nso chese wo de abrante say abrante ni wie ye asebe abrante ni hunsuo eba no ena wo ba no wo de abrante ni hunsuo ehye nenum na etie for behwe wo fe ne say lollipop pop pepe pop ngofo ye nyama o Gofo ye nyama na enyama esi wo demo na ka nini na ene pia bonten a nka obo say hey ewiase we twese ngofo agi omo ni biangasa ngofo owi omo hu bi Motra wa jo comment box ni mo me da say